The main question was, what is the most valuable in our personal lives? This question was in my mind for months and days. Sometimes I got nothing, and sometimes I was not sure of thousands of answers. For instance, health, family, money, love. But what is the most valuable things that I should pay attention to? Time? Yes, time. Can I stop you? Of course not. Time is passing quickly. Many things like social media can easily take all my time and make me depressed, jealous, and hopeless. But if I control the time I use social media, I can use it for my own growth. I have to have a plan to feel good about myself. A real map. Yes, I really have a plan. For places I haven't seen and things I haven't done. And the correct answer was this. I have to use the time properly. Not being a resident, to be in motion. A move towards progress, a move that calms me down. I have to spend my time learning to acquire skills, to grow up, to see better, touch life. I am still traveling, a journey for life with people like me, people close to me, in places that don't make me feel like a waste of time. That is the answer. Time, time, time.